understanding of it.
No. You said it all. That's like that's a wonderful definition. Honestly, you've said it all. So, just as I said, it's actually useful for data manipulation. It's something where you can store your data, retrieve that same data, and make use of that same data. Do you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Now, okay. Now, you know, some people call it SQL. Some people call it what SQL. Okay. So depending on how you call it. So and why SQL? Why is it important for data analysts like us to actually learn SQL? So why is it important? It is actually important because we can actually store. We can store data with it. We can store relational data with it. We can actually enable data extraction from it. And also, so many industries make use of SQL, right? So many industries make use of SQL from across different industries, from finance to health to technology to government, right? So depending on where you find yourself, we understand. Now, why SQL? Why do we need to actually learn SQL? What is the difference between SQL, Excel, and Python? So let's look at the features. Let's look at why we need to learn SQL and the difference between them. Now, when you look at SQL can actually handle millions of data, like it does not have a limited capacity. But Excel has a limit of capacity. Okay. Then another thing is when it comes to ease of use, yes, Excel is one of the easiest, right? But SQL has this moderate ease of use. It's just for us to write our code and, we are there already. Okay. When it comes to query based, so when it comes to analysis type, Excel is actually visuals and formula, right? But Python actually requires logic. It requires some level of programming. For SQL is actually query based. So I don't know if you guys are understanding this. You guys are seeing the difference. Mr. Abraham, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, sir.
Okay. So it's actually query based. Then when it comes to use case, so Excel is just being useful in reports, charts. And then when it comes to SQL is actually useful when you want to do like you want to join one table to the other. You want to actually manipulate so many tables together. But in terms of Python requires some level of advanced analytical skills. Okay. Now let's look at real world use case. So where is SQL being used? So we can actually use SQL in banks because we want to query customer transactions. Government also use it when you probably want to track sensors or you want to track tax data. Okay. Also in e-commerce, probably you want to more like see what is happening on the sales on the e-commerce. They probably want to see Are people actually coming to our site? Is this promotion that we are doing, is it being active? Are you getting it? So what I'm trying to say in essence is all of these things are useful everywhere. Then in health organization, can also use that. In customer support places, you can also make use of stuff like that. Okay. Now, what we're going to learn in this course, we're going to learn how to write and understand SQL queries. We're going to clean and filter, then join data. We're going to apply SQL in real business scenario. Okay. Then also, we're going to be connecting SQL to tools like Power BI and Google Sheets. Any questions so far? Any questions so far, guys?
I'm just being curious. I don't know. Can this
Okay.
SQL be? Can it be used, or do they use it for data? No, not data. Survey purpose.
Okay.
Like
Do you mean data collection? Is that what you're trying to say?
yes, exactly.
So they don't use SQL for data collection, but you can use SQL to actually make sense out of that data collection tool that you use. I don't know if you get what I'm saying.
Okay.
Do you get it now?
Yes.
So if you collect the data with maybe you use Google Form or you use Google Collect, right? Then you can now convert that data to CSV or Excel, then bring it here and do your analysis directly.
Okay.
Do you get it?
Yes, I do. Thank you.
All right. Okay. So okay, I think I've asked these questions before. So let's begin to download SQL. Guys, so that will be our first task. So let's download SQL. Let me share my screen. So, Mr. Abraham.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So it's possible that you guys will be sharing your screen so that I can tell you what next to do. Okay, you can see my screen, right?
Mm.
All right, so please go to www.mysql.com. Mr. Abraham, Mr. Ashe, hope you're following us also.
www.
So are we on the same page now?
Dot
mysql.com, my SQL.
S. Still loading.
Okay, good. How about Mr. Ashe?
Yes, it has shown something like that.
Okay.
It's showing Heatwave, MySQL Enterprise Edition,
Okay, good. You're on the same page.
MySQL Global Forum.
Mr. Ashe. Okay, so if you are there, please come to download. Can you see download?
Download.
So click on download. Beside that, mysql.com. Are you there?
No, I didn't see any download there though.
Okay, look at the screen. Can you see this?
Yes.
So click on that downloads.
Mine is here. Sorry, sir. I will be going off. My mentor just sent the link.
Oh, okay. Mr. Shea, are you with us?
Yes, I'm with you now, please.
All right. So are you on the site now?
No, I'm not on this. Which, sorry, I
Are
just
you
went to inconvenience myself.
okay? Are you with your laptop?
Malam kana so ka yi yare ne? To mun bari ka sai gashi bari mu ga 50 ina da zakaru.
Mr. Shea, are you with your laptop?
Yes, I'm with it. Just I'm not connected to the internet with it.
Okay. Now you need to connect to the internet so that I can walk you through the process of installing the app.
Mm, that would take me time because it has been disconnected for a long time.